This is the ultimate health watch. It's the VK E400 and it does it all. You have all kinds of different controls in here, from brightness to information to your settings. But what I want to show you is really hot. You've got your step count information. You've got last night's sleep time. Then you get into the biometrics. Here we've got all day continuous heart rate showing on a graph. And as soon as you land on it using the green diode technology, you're getting a heart rate display right up there with your maximum and minimum for the day. And it'll repeat then again on the next day. One more tab over, you get blood pressure. You start here, you'll get systolic over diastolic. It's also able to do continuous blood pressure readings every incremental moment, like 5 minutes to every hour or so. That'll be recorded in the app, and you can monitor that continuously. It takes a little while for each reading. It runs up to 100%, and then it'll give you your actual reading, which can be either calibrated based on standard 120/80 or against your personal readings. Blood oxygen works the same way. Land here, it's going to use the red diode technology, and it's going to give you some blood oxygen readings. Beyond that, we enter a whole new world with blood glucose. This, you hit start, it'll take a blood glucose reading. Of course, it's doing continuously in the background, and you can actually see where you eat your meals and your blood sugar goes up and comes down and goes up and comes down. Not sure about the accuracy of this reading or any of them. You have to check the calibration with your medical instruments to see if they match up or not. This is ECG. You can tap on this. It's going to give you, when you touch the electrode on the side, a heart rate based on ECG. That's the numbers that are being calculated for basic heart rate like we looked at before, but this time it's being calculated electronically through the signal from your heart. It's not recording the chart. There's a different way to do that. We'll show you that in a second. You want your body temperature. It's definitely got a thermometer in here. It can be set for centigrade or Fahrenheit. It calculates your skin temperature and makes an interpolation of what your body temperature is. And again, it's taking it regularly in the background, and you'll see that in the app. Beyond that, you've got temperature in your area along with the forecast, and back to your home screen with your selection of watch face, of which there's several, including some you can download directly from the app. You've got, in addition to all of this, workouts that you can do, a variety of them, walking, running, and standard stuff. You've got all of the different measurements we did. You've got PTT, which is exactly where you'll be able to do an EKG measurement and record it directly in the app. You've got breathing exercises, alarms, stopwatches, even a music player. And ladies, you got your female cycle information in here as well. Remote camera is supported and more. Definitely need to see the detailed app review on this one. It's a really fine watch. It's very thin, at least IP68 waterproof, and all of the bells and whistles for the biometrics you could want. It is the VK E400. Check it out.